5 tips to find a good copywriter. Tip number 1. Identify the kind of copy you need. While copywriters are typically trained in many forms of writing, a lot of copywriters specialize in different types of copy. Some focus on writing sale copy, others on email copy, and some focus exclusively on writing website copy. Tip number 2. Be prepared to pay. Cheap copy isn't good, and good copy isn't cheap. You can always set a budget for how you're willing to spend on a copywriter, but keep in mind that while some writers charge per project, others are paid on a retainer plus commission fee structure. It's a good idea to ask around to understand the average rates for certain types of copy, but know that this can vary greatly by experience levels. Tip number 3. Ask for samples. Any good writer will have a portfolio of samples he or she has written. Browse through these samples and make sure the writer has experience with the type of copy you need. The best writers will even have solid data to back up their results. Tip number 4. Hire a copywriter with experience in your industry. For example, if you are selling a health supplement, hire a copywriter with experience in the health and wellness industry. While some copywriters have worked in multiple industries, your best bet is finding someone with ample experience in the industry your product or service is in. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to ask for referrals. Chances are you can easily identify brands and companies that are having success in your industry. Don't be afraid to ask them for referrals for great writers. Also, take advantage of well-known and established copywriting groups like Copy Accelerator to find your next copywriter. One of the best platforms to find professional copywriters is Fiverr. You can check out Fiverr's handpicked vetted copywriters in the description below.